Sounds of the woods. Every morning I set off really early and run along the river, my outings now restricted. Always the same music in my ears, always the same song over the bridge, always the same song passing the kiosk closed for shutdown. I run like a fugitive fleeing from my too narrow world into the town woods, which are gradually dressing for spring, anticipating the May dance in lime green, the musicians already practicing, tuning their instruments, tweeting and trilling in all registers. The woodpecker drums the beat, leaves rustle like snare brushes. I take off my headphones, hear only silence at first. Then, slowly, my ear retunes from the hard electrobeats to the sounds of the wood. I listen, feel every note deep within me. My bloodstream vibrates, expands in waves. I am a part of it. I am.